So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, if you know you have not yet subscribed, as majority of you my viewers have not yet to subscribe, so make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. If you are also not yet following me on Telegram, you go to the comment section, you see the link to my Telegram channel. Make sure you follow me on Telegram. There will be putting out some information that will be useful for you. So today we will be expecting, we can see AUDUSD is actually giving us an uptrend move, which is fine, right? So with today, we will be expecting major news, especially if you're a technical trader. You need to have it in mind that there's going to be major news that will be released today. So you need to have it. And one of those news is PPI. Once PPI comes out, then one of those news that everybody's keeping an eye on is the Fed fund rates. The Fed, everybody are expecting the Fed to actually leave interest rates to the same at 5.25. Now, have it in mind that if interest rates still remains the same, if Fed still leaves interest rates at 5.25, then expect AUD USD to break out of this level. Sure, AUD needs to break out of this level. That is it. That is the thing. AUD will go bullish and break out of it. But if there's an unexpected increase from 5.25 to probably maybe 5.75, then unfortunately AUD to USD will actually drop. So just pay attention to the news that will be released today. I mean, you can see there was an unexpected increase in interest rates for card, right? I think it was last week, an unexpected increase for card. Card gave us a bullish move. The same thing was an unexpected increase on AUD, right? That is why AUD gave us a bullish move. I think it was last week or last week. So today, if there's going to be an unexpected increase in USD, then AUD will fall, that will be that USD will go bullish. But if reverses remains the same, if they leave interest rates still the same, then of course AUD needs to break out of this level, thereby USD will fall. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, especially if you're having trouble growing up your account, then all you just have to do is go to the comment section, subscribe to our Patreon channel. We are rolling out a 7 days free trial, thereby you're going to trade with us for a good 7 days. So this is one of those trades we took on Monday, WTI. See June 12th, we actually hit our profits. This is another trade we actually took yesterday, which was on Tuesday, EuroCAD. We actually hit our profits. Now, this is one of those trades we are looking at today, which we are about to take profits, and which is EuroCAD, WTI. See, we've actually moved our stop loss to break even. So if in case prices reverse, then we are going to opt out with zero loss, or we can start taking profits, because I've already give updates to my subscribers that they can start taking profit now if they want. So if in case you're interested in more trade setup from me, all you just have to do is subscribe to the Patreon channel in the comment section.